Good morning, Mommy Sir. I'm Jonalyn Ubra, 43 years old, married with 2 children, and I have work experience as a production operator electronics at Potabo Corporation of the Philippines, and also I have experience working as a domestic helper in Singapore, doing a household chores and taking care of toddler age 1.5 and 3 years old since 2008 to 2010. And previously, I have working experience in Hong Kong since 2011 to 2022 as I'm taking care of newborn, toddler, and teenager. I do cooking, cleaning, ironing, marketing, car washing, baking, and I know how to cook Chinese and Western food as I have work experience working in Western family. I'm hardworking, initiative, kind, patient, fast learner, reliable, and can work without any supervision, and also willing to learn new things. I'm happy to work with your family, sir, ma'am, and if you choose me. Thank you and God bless you all.